Welcome back to another cooking video. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. It's a recipe here, some normal Jamaican fufu. So we have some egg franks, caramel, coconut powder, chicken, all of the seasoning them, purple onion. Please remember. So these are all my ingredients I'm gonna use my Jamaican fufu. So I'm gonna show you some chicken I will season up and thing. I never show you, I wash it and thing. Wash it some vinegar, running water. So this is all of my ingredients then. So the pot hot there, so I'm going to add some oil to it and thing. Oil going hot and thing. So I'm going to show you step by step how I prepare my recipe. So you can see everything right there. Yeah, so the oil hot and thing. I have some egg left to boil. Remember Jamaican fufu. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. Leave a comment. Be a nice, eatable, tasteable. So starting by frying the chicken more and get golden brown. Right, so fry until it get crispy. Well, at the first I try the recipe, so I had some green season cut up one side and things, some egg boil there, boil till the crack up and things, so you know, so them well boil, and some chicken there. Well, more my chicken get more browner than this, so I go and fry it, get golden brown. At the first I try the recipe, well, the recipe nice, man, I don't lie, tasteable, enjoy, eatable, delicious, finger licking. Please try the recipe. That when you use and make the fufu, some coconut, green season, well spice up and thing. That's a secret. So I'm going to add my purple onion to my chicken to give it an extra nice flavor. So I'm going to add all of the spices and scallion, thyme, garlic. So I'm going to turn it up. You want to break down how I want it. The recipe is nice, eatable. You can see presentation quality of the recipe, finger licking. Please try this recipe and leave a comment and tell me about it. Jamaican fufu. The recipe is eatable, tasteable. Fufu is African food, but we can try the recipe at Jamaica. Different country try free recipes, same here. And well, recipe kind of ready and now. Be a simple natural recipe. You can see presentation quality or the what you say, Jamaican fufu. You can say chicken pretty. But I tell you, the recipe is eatable, tasteable. So please remember, like and share. Remember to subscribe. So I'm gonna add some franks and egg to it. Wow, it's not mouth there run water. I'm telling you, like, somebody are hungry. You can see the quality, green cheese. You can see the egg, the franks. You can see all of the spice. The recipe and thing, you know, so it's a recipe are eatable, tasteable, delicious. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack and leave a comment. I'm going to add some ketchup to taste and flavor. It's a recipe I'm not telling you, like. Please try the recipe. Remember Jamaican fufu. So you know, say right thing, the chicken and the franks and the egg done. Right thing, just ready to eat. May I tell you, I'm out there around water. Right, somebody are hungry. At the first one try the recipe, well, it's nice. Man, I tell you, like nice, eatable, tasteable, finger licking. Right, I'm gonna taste the franks and thing. I can see presentation, egg franks, everything. All I spice them. You can see the recipe, quality of the recipe. Please remember to like and share. Remember to subscribe. So the recipe eat. Recipe ready, serve, ready to eat. So you can see the fufu right there. Fufu just normal. Whenever I show you make the fufu next time, I'm going to show you how to make the fufu. That is a secret. But the recipe is delicious, finger licking, tasteable, eatable. Simple natural recipe. We don't have a vegetable on the side but to eat. You can see the presentation, eatable. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. Please like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. And see me go on myself. Remember say I use when I eat fufu and a fork and a spoon using